Hey guys, I have a new find. All right guys, so I was in Walmart and came across this product. It is called cauliflower rice. And when I looked on the ingredient list, which is right there, the only ingredient in here is cauliflower, 100%. And I checked the macros with frozen cauliflower just to see if there was a difference, and there was none. So this is in a pouch, like those rice things that you can buy and cook. And I am gonna try this. It says to microwave for 2.5 minutes. So I'm gonna be doing that and taste testing it for you because this is a really good find and it's so cheap, so cheap. So let's put this in the microwave and see how it is. All right guys, so what it says to do is tear the top of this off. I'm gonna do that. And then it says to cook for 2.5 minutes. Now, when I open this up, it literally looks like cooked cauliflower rice, which I'm sure it is because to cook this for 2 minutes only, it would have to be. And the smell is really good. It just smells like cauliflower rice. As you can see, it's this much in the package. It says that one container is 200 grams. So if you're on Optavia, guys, you're still allowed 70 more grams technically, so I just want you to be aware of that. So I am going to attempt to cook this for 2.5 minutes, and I'm going to have it with my salmon on the side, so I will show you how that comes out as soon as I'm done. So let's do this. Let's put this in the microwave. So I just took this out of the microwave, and I am actually going to pour this. Here's my salmon, 5 ounces. I'm actually going to weigh it. You know what? Because I want to see. Hold on. Let's get this on the scale here. And let's set this up to grams. I want to see if this is actually 200 grams like it says. But here it is. You can see inside it's steaming. All right. So let's check this out. How many grams is it? We're at 122. It's just really hot. The pouch is very hot. 160. All right, the bag is empty. And it says I have 167 grams. So I'm definitely short. I can have added if I'd like, but honestly, guys, the pile that's in my plate looks like it's going to be enough for me. So I'm going to taste test this for you and we will be right back. All right, I'm back ready to eat. So I have my plate here. Here's what it looks like. And I'm actually going to use a couple of sprays of spray butter on top of the cauliflower. Sorry about my appearance. I know I look like hell today. Sorry. All right, so a couple sprays go on. And let's taste this stuff. And I will give you my honest opinion. So take a little bit on my fork. It is legit cauliflower. There is no sign of sodium in this. Actually really good. There's no hint of sodium in it. Hold on, I'm going to get the bag. Let's go over that. All right, so let's go over these macros while I'm here talking to you. So, all right, this whole bag, what's in my plate is 1 serving. On Optavia, you still can have some more lean because this did not come out to the amount that it's supposed to. So, in this whole bag, which is still not yet 1 serving, is 40 calories, 0.5 gram of fat. It says 20 milligrams of sodium, which is a natural sodium from the vegetable. 8 grams of carbs, 5 grams of sugar. So if you're following another plan and you like keto and you want to deduct the fiber, you're only looking at 3 net carbs for this. And there's 3 grams of protein. The ingredients, as you can see, I'm going to try to show you here. Cauliflower, that's it. So I'm going to give this a big thumbs up, guys. This is Very easy and convenient. Let's say you want to throw this in your lunch bag and take it and have your lean and green in the middle of the day at work. If you don't have a freezer at work, this is a great option for you. I'm going to take another bite. Very good. I mean, it's legit cauliflower. Says you could cook this on the stovetop. I honestly don't see a reason why you wouldn't throw this in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. It says to store it in a cool, dry place, clearly, because you don't want it to sweat. And I mean, it's fresh. It's kind of strange. I wonder how. Oh, and there is an expiration date. You can only use this from now. There's a 2-week expiration date. No preservatives, gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO. It says no need to refrigerate or freeze. Once opened, contents should be refrigerated for no more than 3 days. And then there's a website. Look at that. There's a website address, right? fullygreen.com. I'm going to check them out and see what other kind of things they have. But so guys, I think this is a wonderful alternative for those people. I think I would only use this, honestly, if I was going to work, to bring it, throw it in my bag, because I use the frozen cauliflower rice when I'm making dinner. I wouldn't waste this on, well, I shouldn't say that. It's not really a waste. It just takes a lot less time to cook. So use it at your own will. But anyway, guys, I found this at Walmart. Definitely try it out. I give this a thumbs up. And if you want to see any more food reviews or new finds, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great night, everybody. I'm going to go eat. Bye, guys.